Let's enter a little time of meditation together, shall we? I love that verse in Proverbs that says, her children rise up and call her happy. And today I want to focus on that we are rising up, that we are the children of our mothers, and our mothers are gardeners. That's the image I want us to take into meditation with us today, that we're a flower in that garden. My mom, my granny, my grandma, all gardeners. So let's breathe in. As you breathe out, relax any tension in your shoulders or anywhere. Get comfortable in your seat. Breathe in again. Breathe out. Gently close your eyes. Focus inside. So I'd like to ask you to picture your mother or a mothering spirit in your life. It might have been a teacher, might have been a coach, might have been your grandma, whatever that mothering spirit in your life. And I want you to see her with a watering can, a big floppy hat. Imagine that spirit. And imagine that spirit puttering in the garden. And as she's puttering in the garden, she takes that watering can, pours water on the little seeds that she's spread. She looks up at the sunshine and says, okay, sunshine, do your job. Every day she's out there tending that garden. Every day. And what do you know? What happens? Flowers start rising. We are those little flowers. What kind of flower are you? A dandelion? Are you a forget-me-not? A rose? We are rising up for the gardener in our life. Mom, grandma, maybe your sister. Take a moment, little flower, and say thank you to the gardener. Thank you for the water. Thank you for the sunshine. Thank you for the joy. We rise up as little flowers and we call her blessed. Thank you to our mothers, our mothering spirit. Breathe in. Breathe out. Let's sit for a few moments together in silence. And as you breathe in and breathe out, send out one more thought of thankfulness, of gratitude to your mother, that mothering spirit, to the Creator, the Father and Mother of us all. Open your eyes, and so it is.